Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi SQ7 versus Q7. The Audi Q7 is a versatile luxury SUV, perfect for families, emphasizing comfort and everyday usability. The SQ7, however, takes that foundation and injects a significant boost of performance, appealing to those who desire a sportier driving experience. Both vehicles share Audi's commitment to sophisticated design and high-quality interiors, ensuring a premium feel regardless of your choice. When it comes to power, the Q7 provides strong performance with its available 2.0-liter four-cylinder or 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged engines, offering up to 335 horsepower. The SQ7, on the other hand, is a true powerhouse. It features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing an impressive 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. This allows the SQ7 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.8 to 4.3 seconds, a significant difference from the Q7's 5.5 to 6.7 seconds. The driving experience truly sets these two apart. The SQ7 comes equipped with a sport-tuned adaptive air suspension and larger brakes, providing a more dynamic and engaging ride. The Q7, while still capable, focuses on delivering a supremely comfortable and composed journey, ideal for long trips with family. Both SUVs share many high-end features, including advanced infotainment systems, premium leather upholstery, and comprehensive driver assistance technologies, ensuring a luxurious and safe environment. Considering price and practicality, the SQ7 typically starts at a higher price point, reflecting its enhanced performance and features. The Q7, with its more efficient engine options, offers better fuel economy, achieving up to 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 on the highway, making it a more economical choice for daily driving. Both provide ample cargo space when the third row is folded down. For more great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.